The skies are changing, and with them, the very nature of warfare is evolving. A new player has entered the theater of aerial combat, one that operates without a pilot, guided by sophisticated algorithms and driven by cutting-edge artificial intelligence. These drones are not just tools, they are game-changers in the realm of military strategy. This is the MQ-28 Ghostbat, a harbinger of a future where autonomous systems will reshape the nature of warfare. It represents a leap into a new era, where machines will take on roles traditionally held by human pilots. Developed as a joint effort between the United States and Australia, the Ghostbat represents a significant leap forward in drone technology, promising to redefine the possibilities of air power in the 21st century. This collaboration underscores the global importance of advancing military technology. For decades, military strategists have envisioned a future where unmanned systems would fight alongside and even replace human pilots in the skies. The evolution of drone technology has been a journey of innovation and adaptation. The Ghostbat is the realization of this vision, a glimpse into a future where the dogfights of tomorrow might be orchestrated by machines. These autonomous drones are designed to execute complex missions with precision and efficiency, but the implications of this technology extend far beyond the battlefield. The integration of AI in military operations opens up new strategic possibilities and challenges. The development and deployment of the MQ-28 raise profound questions about the future of warfare, the ethics of autonomous weapon systems, and the shifting balance of power in an increasingly unstable world. These discussions are crucial as we navigate this new landscape. This is not just about a new drone, it's about a fundamental shift in the way we think about conflict and the tools we use to wage it. The Ghostbat symbolizes a broader transformation in military strategy and technology. The MQ-28 Ghostbat is more than just a technological marvel. It's a symbol of a new era in warfare, one where artificial intelligence and autonomous systems will play an increasingly prominent role. This shift will redefine the dynamics of power and conflict. As we enter this uncharted territory, it is imperative that we understand the capabilities of this new weapon, the implications of its deployment, and the profound ethical questions it raises. The future of warfare is here, and it demands our attention and careful consideration. The MQ-28 Ghostbat is a product of international collaboration, a testament to the growing strategic partnership between the United States and Australia. This advanced unmanned combat aircraft symbolizes the deepening ties and mutual trust between these two nations, reflecting their shared commitment to security and technological advancement. This alliance, forged in the crucible of shared security concerns and a common vision for the future of warfare, has yielded a technological marvel with the potential to reshape the landscape of air combat. The Ghostbat represents not just a leap in drone technology, but also a significant step forward in the strategic military cooperation between the U.S. and Australia. The genesis of the Ghostbat can be traced back to the early 2010s, a time when both the U.S. and Australia were grappling with the evolving nature of warfare in the Asia-Pacific region. During this period, both nations recognized the need to adapt to new threats and challenges, leading to a series of high-level discussions and strategic planning sessions. The rise of new powers, coupled with the proliferation of advanced military technologies, demanded a radical rethink of traditional defense doctrines. This evolving landscape necessitated innovative solutions and a collaborative approach to defense strategy, pushing both nations to explore new frontiers in military technology. Australia, facing a rapidly changing strategic environment, sought to bolster its air combat capabilities. The nation recognized the importance of staying ahead in the technological race and ensuring its defense forces were equipped with the latest advancements. The United States, with its vast technological resources and a keen interest in maintaining its military edge, recognized the opportunity to partner with a trusted ally in developing a next-generation unmanned combat aircraft. This collaboration was seen as a way to combine strengths and achieve greater innovation. This shared vision led to the establishment of a joint development program leveraging the expertise of leading defense contractors and research institutions in both countries. The program aimed to push the boundaries of what was possible in drone technology, ensuring both nations remained at the forefront of military innovation. The result was the MQ-28 Ghostbat, a testament to the power of international collaboration in driving technological innovation. This groundbreaking aircraft not only enhances the air combat capabilities of both nations, but also stands as a symbol of their enduring partnership and shared vision for the future. The MQ-28 Ghostbat is a marvel of modern engineering, a sleek and stealthy killing machine designed to dominate the skies of the future. This advanced drone represents the cutting edge of military technology, combining speed, agility, and firepower in a single formidable package. Its composite airframe, honed to near invisibility by radar-absorbent materials, allows it to slip past enemy defenses undetected, delivering its deadly payload with surgical precision. The design ensures that the Ghostbat remains a ghost in the sky, unseen and unheard until it strikes. At the heart of the Ghostbat lies a sophisticated artificial intelligence system, capable of processing vast amounts of data in real time to make split-second decisions in the heat of battle. This AI is not just a passive observer, but an active participant, constantly analyzing and reacting to the ever-changing battlefield. This AI brain, constantly learning and adapting, allows the Ghostbat to operate with a level of autonomy never before seen in an unmanned aerial vehicle. It can execute complex missions without direct human intervention, making it a versatile and reliable asset in any combat scenario. The Ghostbat is armed with a variety of precision-guided munitions, including air-to-air missiles for engaging enemy aircraft and smart bombs for striking ground targets. These weapons are designed to maximize damage while minimizing collateral damage, ensuring that each strike is both effective and efficient. Its internal weapons bay ensures that its lethal payload remains hidden from enemy radar until the moment of attack, further enhancing its stealth capabilities. This hidden arsenal allows the Ghostbat to maintain the element of surprise, striking when the enemy least expects it. But the Ghostbat's true strength lies not just in its individual capabilities, but in its ability to operate seamlessly as part of a networked force. It can communicate and coordinate with other drones and manned aircraft, creating a cohesive and formidable fighting force. Designed to work in tandem with manned aircraft like the F-35, the Ghostbat acts as a force multiplier, extending the reach and lethality of human pilots. This synergy between manned and unmanned systems represents the future of aerial combat, where technology and human skill combine to create an unbeatable team. The MQ-28 Ghostbat is more than just a technological marvel. It's a harbinger of a future where artificial intelligence will fundamentally reshape the landscape of warfare. Its onboard AI system, capable of learning, adapting, and making decisions in real time, represents a paradigm shift in military technology. Imagine a squadron of Ghostbats operating autonomously alongside manned fighters, coordinating their attacks, and adapting to changing battlefield conditions with lightning speed. This is the promise of AI-driven warfare, where machines can process information and make decisions far faster than any human, giving them a decisive edge in combat. The Ghostbat's AI is not just about speed and efficiency, it's about creating a new kind of warrior, one that can operate in environments and under conditions that would be impossible for human pilots. Imagine a swarm of Ghostbats penetrating enemy airspace under heavy fire, their AI algorithms constantly adjusting their flight paths to evade incoming missiles and anti-aircraft fire. This is not science fiction, it's the future of warfare, and the MQ-28 Ghostbat is leading the charge.